Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, foolproof way to turn your finances around? What if I told you that the secret has been around for thousands of years, hidden within the pages of the Bible? Welcome to today's video on the biblical emergency fund formula that changes everything. The Bible, with its wealth of wisdom, offers guidance not just for spiritual life, but also practical life, including money management. The concept of setting aside a portion of your income for emergencies is more relevant today than ever. This ancient formula lies in the book of Proverbs and is epitomized in the story of Joseph. Remember when Joseph interpreted Pharaoh's dreams in Genesis? The dreams of 7 fat cows followed by 7 lean cows. Joseph advised Pharaoh to store a fifth of Egypt's abundant produce in the years of plenty. The foresight saved an entire nation during years of famine. The lesson is clear: save during your times of plenty to get through times of scarcity. Now, you might wonder how this applies to modern financial planning. It's about setting up your own emergency fund. Traditionally, financial advisors recommend saving 3 to 6 months of living expenses, but adopting the biblical principle of 20% can bring an even stronger financial security. Think of it as your personal storehouse, your ark for stormy economic weather. Start small. Decide on a percentage you can realistically save from each paycheck. Automate this process if you can, so you don't even have to think about it. Consistency is key. Like Joseph, who systematically collected grain, this regular practice builds your fund gradually, but securely. Moreover, having an emergency fund fosters peace of mind, reduces anxiety, and prepares you for unexpected events like medical emergencies or sudden job loss. It also lets you avoid debt in a crisis, allowing the biblical wisdom of Proverbs 22:7, "The borrower is slave to the lender," to resonate even more when you're not trapped by loans in tough seasons. Let's recap. Identify a percentage of your income to save, automate this process, and build your fund consistently. By adopting this biblical strategy, you're doing more than just saving money. You're preparing to steward your resources wisely and securing peace for you and your family. This age-old formula doesn't just change your financial situation, it transforms your life, enabling you to live with the assurance that you're prepared for whatever may come.